we need to have good internet connection. And that's why with the OUA Memo 00-0821-0098 dated August 12, 2021, inilabas ang DepEd SIM Card and Connectivity Load Program in coordination with our telecommunication partner na Smart, na kung saan sa pamamagitan ng 5G technology, inilalaan nito ang mga sumusunod. The teachers are provided with 34 GB monthly load, which is designed with the following things. Number 1, 1 GB per day for specific e-learning apps and whitelisted DepEd apps. Ibig sabihin nito, sa pamamagitan ng 1 GB per day na yan, ay ma-access natin ang mga learning tools na ito na maaari natin magamit sa ating pagtuturo in our online classes. And in addition, a 4 GB for open data access. Kapag ito ay ating binilang, magkakaroon po tayo ng total na 34 GB dahil yung 1 GB ay imumultiply natin into 30 days. Dagdagan natin ng special or inclusion na 4 GB for open data access. And with that, our teachers can utilize it for free. These things are based from the solid analytics consumption data kung saan nakuha ang basis para sa 34 GB na monthly allowance na gagamitin para sa ating mga guro in order for them to access via online. Kindly take note that unused data do not expire for the next 1 year from date of activation or on its first use. The unused data are rolled over provided they will be utilized before the expiration after 1 year. Kaya kung kayo ay nanonood mga kaguro at sinasabi ninyo na, "Sir, bakit wala pa po kami nitong SIM card na ito?" Mamaya-maya ay makikita ninyo kung ano ba ang proseso para kayo ay makakuha ng DepEd SIM card na ito. But for those teachers na nakakuha, narito ang mga proseso na dapat ninyong pakatandaan. Number 1, you need to download the Giga Life app on your phone via the Google Play Store and App Store. Second, you need to log in using your new SIM card number and input password, then click sign up. And I have a plea to our teachers who are content creators in YouTube. Kindly revisit your content because I have seen so much wherein your SIM card number or your number itself is reflected onto the screen. You need to protect that number. Bakit po? Data privacy mga kaguro, kaya sa ating mga content creators, hindi po ipinagbabawal ang pag-create ng mga tutorial videos. Importante po na bigyan din natin ng proteksyon ng ating mga sarili dahil kapag kayo ay nagko-conduct ng session o ng tutorial format, hindi po sinasadya na naka-reflect din po ang inyong SIM card number para po ito sa inyong protection. Kaya, huwag kalimutang balikan ang inyong mga content and I'm really thankful and I want to congratulate all of you who are helping us in informing the public kung papaano gamitin ang DepEd SIM card. Just remember that when you put your password, it should have 8 to 20 characters and at least there's 1 capital letter, 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 number. Huwag na huwag pong gagamit ng mga special characters na naka-indicate po, gaya ng colon, semicolon, and etc. Remember, no spaces also for your password. At pakatandaan, huwag na huwag po nating kalilimutan ang ating mga password. Kung ang ating DepEd email address, kung saan ating pong laging nakakalimutan ng DepEd password ninyo, huwag po natin gagawin yun dito sa ating DepEd SIM card. Kaya kinakailangan kung tayo ay mayroong notebook, ilagay po natin doon at pakatandaan kung ano ang password na inyo pong inilagay. Step number 3, after accessing it, you will be provided by a PIN number and you need to click to proceed. Tandaan, yan ay one-time PIN. Ibig sabihin mga kaguro, babalikan ko yung mga content creators. Kasi po, habang kayo ay nagpapakita ng tutorial video, napapakita nyo rin yung one-time pin po ninyo. So please, data privacy po, pakaingatan ang inyong SIM card number. Please revisit. Number 4, you need to read and check the boxes of apps term and policy conditions na nakalagay. Kapag ito po ay inyo nang natik o nalagyan ng check, then you need to click I accept. Number 5, once you are registered, you will be redirected to the user interface of the GigaLife apps. At makikita po ninyo yung blue button na nakalagay ay check usage. Once you click that, you will see the initial load balance of 34 GB. So sa ating mga kaguro, tandaan, ito pong proyekto na ito ng ating kagawaran ay para po sa inyo. If we have private school teachers who are currently watching na for sure ang sasabihin, papaano naman po kami? Ito po ang aming kasagutan. Ang proyekto po ito ay nakalaan pa lang po para po sa ating mga kaguro sa public school. So, if in case you do have questions regarding the DepEd SIM card, pakatandaan ang mga numerong ito. You can call the hotline number. It's yung pound o yung hashtag DepEd or hashtag 33733. Huwag magkakamali, or you could always email the help desk sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay ng deped@deped.gov.ph. Kindly take note that DepEd officials and personnel who have existing communication subscriptions or allowances shall no longer be eligible to be recipients of the DepEd SIM card and connectivity load program. At pakatandaan, kagaya ng mga laptop o tablet na nai-provide ng ating government o ng kagawaran, the DepEd SIM cards, actually that's not cards, it should be cards. The DepEd SIM cards and DepEd actually are government properties. So I want to correct that. Yung DepEd SIM cards are DepEd and government properties. Any unauthorized use will be reported and the recipients shall be delisted. At pakatandaan, this SIM ay hindi po for sale. Not for sale. Ito mga kaguro, kaya gamitin po. If in case in your area, sabihin ng ating mga kaguro, Sir Mark, wala pong malakas sa signal sa amin ang smart. Paano ko po ito magagamit? Ang aking pong masasabi ay, as of the moment, smart po ang ating partner for this project. Kaya po, hintay lang po tayo and rest assured that our government, our leaders are working very hard so that we can provide to our teachers the necessary connectivity. Gaya nga na nabanggit ni Yusek Alain Del V. Pascua, the Undersecretary for Administration, the department has procured the SIM cards and connectivity load from our external partner for all the teaching and non-teaching personnel to ensure ease in communication and unhampered delivery of services amid the crisis. At sa pamamagitan ng SIM cards na ito, we can retool ourselves. Magagamit natin to para mas mapaghusay natin at magamit natin into practice ang ating mga natutuhan. So to all of our viewers right there mga kaguro na hindi po nakakuha ng DepEd SIM cards, ito na ang pagkakataon ninyo nakalagay sa ating screen. Please go to https://depedconnect.com.ph. Uulitin ko po, para sa mga kaguro natin, public school teachers, teaching or non-teaching personnel, kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakakakuha ng DepEd SIM cards, please register. Dahil kapag kayo po ay nag-register, doon pa lang po mapoproseso para makuha ninyo ang DepEd SIM cards. Tandaan, pumunta lamang sa depedconnect.com.ph. Sa mga kaguro natin na nakatanggap na po ng DepEd SIM cards, mahalaga rin po na balikan natin ang registration na ito para po ma-update ang ating inilagay na data. Tandaan, importanteng pangalagaan natin ang ating SIM card number. I am not discouraging our YouTube creators, teachers from the field. Ang akin lang pong sinasabi rito ay ingatan ang pag-reflect ng inyong mga numbers on the screen sapagkat yan ay inyong numero, inyong SIM card number. At tandaan, bahagi ito ng ating data privacy. There is no perfect solution, but we need to try and be the best possible solution, mga kaguro. Ang ating kagawaran ay humanap ng kaparaanan para mabigyan ng internet connectivity ang ating mga kaguro. And I can say that's not the perfect solution because there's no perfect solution. But if we help one another, then we can be the best possible solution.